I love the fall in Pennsylvania. The leaves are changing, the air is crisp, and celebrations for many occasions start to take place. Today, we're going to celebrate the season by learning how to draw a festive fall scarecrow. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need. Here we go! Start by drawing the letter A. Next, draw a diagonal line to the right and another one to the left. Connect the two lines with a slight downward curve. This will be our scarecrow's hat. Before we draw the head, know this. Your head can be any shape. It could even be a pumpkin. Hey, did you know that pumpkins are 90% water? They actually come from the same family as watermelons and cucumbers. If you're drawing along with me, start your head somewhere inside the brim of the hat. Create a semi or half circle shape and connect it to the other side of the hat, leaving some room for the brim to stick out. Then, give it a wacky hairdo. Take a moment to decide what kind of face you want to put on your scarecrow. Pause the video here to try drawing one of these playful profiles. Welcome back. It's time to draw our scarecrow's jacket. Starting to the left of the scarecrow's head, draw a vertical line going down, and then a vertical line going down on the right. These lines are parallel, which means they travel in the same direction and never touch. At the bottom of each line, create an L shape going in opposite directions. Hey, did you know the first known scarecrows in history were made around 3,000 years ago? Let's go back to where we started our vertical lines. Now, we're going to draw a horizontal line to the right and one to the left for the top of the arms. Draw a small vertical line going down on each sleeve where the wrists come out, and another horizontal line traveling inwards towards the chest. Your final lines on each side should be vertical ones connecting to the L shapes you drew earlier. Connect a small line in between the openings of the jacket to create a shirt. Our scarecrow seems to be floating at the moment, so unless you're going to give your scarecrow a jetpack, we'd better put it on a wooden pole. Draw two vertical lines coming down from the center of your scarecrow and draw a little grass at the bottom to show it's stuck in the ground. Then, go back to your scarecrow's sleeve openings and add a couple of wooden arms poking out. Feel free to add some hay sticking out of the openings as well. Man, this scarecrow must have had a big lunch. They look stuffed! Now, let's add some details and color. Add some patches to your scarecrow's weather-worn jacket by drawing squares with little lines through them. Decorate the ground around your scarecrow with other fall-related things, such as pumpkins, acorns, corn, leaves, or little critters such as squirrels. Add a sky and anything else you see fit for your autumn artwork.